What's up? This is your girl Deshayla, and in this video we are going to be going over the top 3 ways to make $100 per day online even as a broke individual. Now this is going to be a 3-part series, so you want to make sure you watch this video, part 2 and part 3, to get all of the information that you need to know to start crushing $100 or more days online. So stay tuned and watch the entire video. Okay, so this is going to be method number 1. So method number 1 is going to be a way that you can make money online every single day is by selling products, physical products, on Amazon, which is the #1 e-commerce website in the entire world. They have all this traffic, all these buyers who come here every single day to buy products, and this is an amazing way to make money, especially right now in the middle of October, where it's getting ready to be a Christmas rush for the holidays. So everybody's going to be purchasing products for their loved ones. So you want to actually take this information and run with it, because everything I'm going to tell you in this series, in the part 1, 2, and 3 videos, is everything that I have done to make money online. I started off with Amazon drop shipping. So I'm on Amazon. Okay, I'm going to go to Walmart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find products on Walmart first, and then I'm going to go over to Amazon and see if people are selling that particular product at a markup to where I can make marginal profits off of that product. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to pick a category. So I'm going to choose home right here. I'm going to look at the products that are going to be popular in the home section on Walmart. Now this is exactly what you want to do to make $100 per day on Amazon using the drop shipping method. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down and I'm going to look at top deals in home. So I'm going to pick this first product right here. This is a hand mixer from KitchenAid, and it is being sold for $189 on Walmart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the entire title from Walmart, and then I'm going to paste it in the search of Amazon. So let's copy this. Okay, so I'm going to right click copy, and then I'm going to come over to Amazon, and then I am going to paste that title there, and then I'm going to search for this particular product inside of Amazon. And what you find is that it's actually being sold at a higher price than what is being sold on Walmart. So $13.94 is what is being sold on Amazon, and on Walmart is being sold for $189. So if I scroll down, I want to make sure that everything that we see here on Amazon matches what we see on Walmart.com, because you don't want to mix up products and end up giving something that is not exactly the same as what people pay for when they buy something from you on Amazon. So let's look. This comes with some accessories. Let's see if this one comes with the same things. Flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip, 5 just like on Walmart, 4.5 quarts. Scroll. So let's make sure, let's scroll down to the description section. Okay, right here's the description. It looks the same. So also you want to look at the bestsellers rank. So if you have a low bestsellers rank, that means that the product is selling a ton, because Amazon gets a ton of traffic per day. So when something has a low bestsellers rank, that means that item has sold over and over again, and especially when it has a ton of reviews. This one has 1,500 reviews, and only about 10% of buyers actually leave a review. So times 1,500 by 10, and that could be the potential sales, if not more. 10% is actually being very generous. So this has sold thousands of times, and it could potentially be selling 10 or more times per day. So what I'm going to do is, this is being sold for $213.94 on Amazon. I'm going to go to a Amazon calculator And you can find this by going to sellcalc.com/Amazon. And you're going to put in the sell price, which is $213.94. And you're going to put in the shipping price, which you won't be charging shipping. You'll be doing free shipping. And then you're going to put the cost to acquire. I put $160 here because if I go to Walmart, we see that the item costs $160 on eBay. So the reason why I have this showing up is because I have a Chrome extension called Price Blink. And you can find that in the Chrome extension store, or you can just Google it and install that, and you will be able to see price comparisons using the Price Blink extension. So I'm going to click here on eBay just to make sure that it's the right product. Okay, so the first result says it's, let's see, K45SS. So that's the MPN, the manufacturer part. Okay, so this looks like this one would probably be the right one. So you can find this cheaper on eBay. So that's the reason why I put that there, because I saw that it would be cheaper on eBay. So $160 if I bought it from eBay, and right here is going to show you your net profit, and this is going to be after Amazon fees. Amazon does charge fees for selling on their platform. So you would be paying about, let's see, you would be paying $32 in fees, but at the same time, you're going to be making $21.85 pure net profit. And if that's selling a ton of times, at least 10 times, at least if you get 10 sales per day, that's over $200 per day just with this one product. Imagine if you found 10 products, 20 products, or 30 products with the same method, you will be making hundreds of dollars per day. And this is exactly what I have done to do the same thing. There's a lot of other people who have done the same thing or doing Amazon dropshipping right now. So this is method number one. You're going to find products on Amazon, or not Amazon, but Walmart. You're going to search for them in Amazon and see if you can find them at a marked up price to where you can make profit. And you're going to figure out if it's profitable or not by putting in the sell price inside of the calculator and the cost to acquire. And the sell price is going to be what is being sold for on Amazon, because what you're going to do is you're going to sell it for the same price or a couple of cents less. Okay, and you're going to list that product on Amazon by using the sell on Amazon button, or you can just come down here. This is another trick real quick. Here's a golden nugget. Let me scroll down some more to where we found the best sellers rank, and we're going to get that. Ooh, I passed it. I'm going to get that ASIN number. You're going to copy that, and you can actually use that ASIN number to actually list right under the person who is selling on this particular listing. So you could list on the same listing without having to create your own listing and get sales really fast. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video, part 2, because I'm going to show you the second way you can make $100 per day or more online, even as a broke individual. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video.